Our main objective at Reeco is to streamline transfer of goods from the production line through to the dispatch lorry. Using collaborative automation, often known as cobots, our underlying focus is development of standardized automation that offers flexible functionality straight off the shelf. This means that solutions for your specific process requirements can be designed fast and integrated into your production line within days, weeks, not months. And it's our process here that makes us so successful at what we do for our customers. It generally all starts with the design team. They're responsible for developing each automation solution and will assess feasibility, the customer environment, and available footprint to ensure that all requirements can be met. For non-standard projects, we create fully bespoke solutions to achieve the required outcome. Once the design is approved, we move to production. Typically, that involves metal fabrication, configuration of the electrical system with quality hardware components from our partner Omron, and then final assembly with in-feed conveying, safety guarding, and end-of-arm tool which can be custom built if required. Finally, we move to application. Full setup of every automation system happens here at Reeco, which means that it arrives pre-programmed to carry out the customer's intended task safely and efficiently from the moment it's installed. Installation on site is surprisingly fast, which means that downtime is minimized and you quickly get the benefit of increased efficiency. If you're looking to add automation to your underlying processes, have a chat with one of our team. It's quicker and easier than you imagine.